Explain what you're doing.
Okay, I am about to put vinegar with baking soda and red dye into my volcano made out of magic model that I call Mount.
Monster Mountain, didn't you?
Monster Mountain, yeah.
Okay, tell them what you put in there.
I put red dye, baking soda, and vinegar. I'm about to pour the vinegar in, and it's about to explode.
What's going to happen, Presley?
Lava.
We're going to make some lava. Oh, so cool.
Can we try it again? I want to put some more in. That almost looks like Oh yeah, baby. Look at that.
Wow.
That is how you make a volcano. Now we're gonna, it didn't ruin it, see?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my. Oh, can we clean this out and try it again? Can we clean it out and try it again? Oh, look at it.
Cool. Good job, guys.
How about the lava?
Did you like it?
I see that red stuff is the lava.